G'day, it's Tim Gentle from Think Digital. We've landed at the Isaac Shire. We're doing the Science Week tour this time. We're at the Moranbah State School.
Hi, my name's Rebecca. I'm the digital technology teacher at Moranbah State School. Today the students at our school got to experience virtual reality by not just consuming technology but actually creating it themselves, which was amazing. And it's just such a great experience to have it brought to rural areas like our area.
That when you had to take 6 pictures, you popped them together and then made a 360, then you could look in the VR headset.
Headsets on, and we saw the pyramids.
Oh, that's beautiful.
I liked it because it's not just sitting on the couch watching it, you actually get to interact with it. We used some phones and we draw these pictures, and when you took a picture of your picture, you could like make the volcano erupt. I learned all the planets. I love that we went on the VR headsets and they were really cool because we got to go to space and stuff like that.
And we liked doing all the sciencey activities with the VRs.
I think virtual reality is the best thing ever.
Either way, we're showing them not just how to consume it, how to create it. Moranbah State School, what do you think of virtual reality?
Virtual